Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06. So this code generally means that you're unable to log into your account, or it's temporarily banned for you to log into your account. So how you can fix it? So firstly, what you can do is you can just wait for 15 to 20 minutes of the time limit and then try again to log in with your correct password. Remember guys, you have to enter your correct password. If you don't remember your correct password, just tap on forget password. And another way what you can do is, so you can change your network option. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn it off and use your mobile network. That will help you because it can identify that you are in a new network, so it might help you to log in back. Otherwise, what you can do is you can just uninstall your Snapchat app and then reinstall it and then try to log in. So that's gonna fix it all. So that's pretty much guys, that's how we do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.